Martin and Sophie got off to a great start. They had a beautiful wedding and they promised to love each other forever. But now, it's over. Things are very tense. Are you really getting divorced? Mom? Dad? Poor Julia. What if they never make up? Martin lives separately now, but he hasn't forgotten about his little girl. Sophie isn't very happy about this. There he is. He's a whole minute late. Julia! Yay! Daddy's here! Martin didn't come empty-handed. Julia's going to have a real shopping spree today. Daddy's willing to splurge. Yay! It's going to be an amazing day. Bye, Mommy! See you later! Sophie is furious. Since when has Martin been generous? But Mom is sure she can be better than Dad. Let's see who wins this battle. Julia is in a great mood. Her dad always says yes to her. How about a car? Well, almost always. Come on, we're going that way. Oops, my mistake. Daddy, we still have to go to that store. And that one is having a huge sale. I can't miss it. She wants everything, as long as Daddy's paying. It's like a fairy tale. So much shopping. My hands actually hurt from the bags. Time to go home. Mommy, where are you? We're here. Bye, Daddy. I had a great time. Mom, look at everything I bought. That's nice. But Sophie has a better gift.
Hey.
A day at the spa? Sure! Julie's been asking for it for so long. It's about time Sophie treated her daughter to a spa day. Let's start with a relaxing massage. But it turns out that the spa treatments are so boring. It's hard to stay awake. Stop! Julia can't be bored with Mom or Dad will win. Let's get a manicure. Get over here right now! Masks, peels, makeup, styling. What else do you have? This is amazing! Julia is loving it. But beauty hurts your wallet. Going to a beauty salon can cost a lot of money. But Sophie would do anything to beat Martin. And Julia looks beautiful and happy.
Oh.
Well, close enough. Dad's taking Julia to an amusement park. Oh, bumper cars! Let's go for a ride. Buckle up and go! Woohoo! It looks like a lot of fun, but it's actually not so great. Dad's having a blast. We should take him to amusement parks more often. And after the bumper cars, let's go to the merry-go-round. Are you having fun, honey? Yeah, Dad, totally. But Julia grew out of this kind of thing a long time ago. But she can't upset her dad. He's trying so hard to give his daughter the best day ever.
Hey!
He's a real child at heart. How much longer are they going to go round and round? It's getting tiring. But you have to smile for the pictures. And now Dad will show his daughter how to shoot. He was a shooting champion back in the day. I'm going to win you the biggest bear. Let's see. His aim is amazing. But Julia would rather check out cute guys. The park is a great place to meet people. Actually, this isn't that boring. But Dad sees the threat. No boys, Julia! You are too young. I need to keep an eye on you. But Julia's not going anywhere. That's for you, honey. Dad, this is the kids' menu. I'm not a kid anymore. I won't eat this. No way. I want grown-up food. Daddy will have to give in. He can't fight his daughter, or Sophie will win. Julia can eat a real grown-up burger, and Dad can eat from the kids' menu. What? It's good! It's so nice that Mom and Dad agreed to a family tea party. Things are tense. The parents don't seem happy. But Julia has to take advantage of this situation. It's now or never. Mom, Dad, I want to get a tattoo. What do you think? Mom's a little shocked. Dad's furious. Get that tattoo on your forehead. Hey! Oh, you can't change his mind. Will Mom support this cool idea? Sophie is surprisingly nice today. A tattoo, huh? Okay, sweetie. Yeah. It's worth it to upset Martin. He can be mad all he wants. Dad's never going to be your favorite parent now. Mom will take first place. Hey! Promises have to be kept. So, it's time to go to the tattoo shop. Sophie will just have to ask the artist to do something small and subtle for Julia. Wow! She can just look through the catalog for now. Her mother already knows what she wants. That tattoo would look really cute, right? The client's wish is my command. Here we go. Wow, Mom! Oh, you're awesome! That was great! Now it's Julia's turn. This is where the art is going to happen. And Mom will talk to her friend. But Dad's on guard. A tattoo on his baby? He won't let that happen. A stack of bills, and the tattoo turns into beautiful body art. Everyone is happy, especially Julia. Turns out tattoos don't hurt at all. And the artist made so much money today. I wish I could do this every day. Thanks, Mom. You're the best. It's obvious that Martin's been here, but Julia doesn't need to know that. Sophie was secretly against the idea, too. The truth will come out eventually. But for now, it's okay. Yay! It's finally my birthday! I wonder what my mom will give me. There she is, with Julia's favorite cake. Thank you, Mom! But the party is just starting. Here's Dad with flowers. Honey, congratulations! You are all grown up now. But you can never have too many presents. Especially when your parents are fighting. Whose presents will be better? Wow! The latest iPhone? 2 of them? This rocks! Wow! But Mom has something else planned. Ready, set, go! The gift-giving contest is starting now! Mom and Dad must have bought everything they saw. Maybe that's enough? This wasn't what Julia wanted. A lot of presents is great and all, but why are you yelling at each other? That's it! I can't take it! When will Mom and Dad notice that Julia left? There is no time for fighting. We have to find Julia right away. And Martin and Sophie have to team up. Have you seen this girl? I don't want your lemonade. Have you seen this girl? Hey! Lemonade? Oh, fine. Give it to me. Wow! Thank you! They are starting to panic. Where's our daughter? No one has seen her. It's like she disappeared. It's so nice to have a shoulder to lean on. Maybe Martin's not so bad. It's evening and Julia still isn't back. But Julia was actually right here all along. That's right. It's time to make up and forget all your hard feelings. Mom, Dad, I'm right here. Aw, what a happy family reunion. Having her mom and dad back together is the best birthday present for Julia. Did you like this happy ending? How else do you think Julia could have helped her parents? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss more videos about kids and parents on Troom Select.